So today I'm just going to be getting my orders together. But this is how everything looks before I customize them. So these are the jars, the ashtrays, the grinders, and then the tray. And then what I'm going to do is spray paint my tray and spray paint the top of this jar. This is the tray before I epoxy it. I'm about to epoxy all of these today and send them out tomorrow. So guys, your orders are on the way. So I just came back from the post office and my heat gun has finally arrived. I am so happy. So this will help the air bubbles and hopefully I can perfect the doggone grinders, because the grinders have been giving me a little issue. I've been trying to get all the air bubbles out. So this heat gun should help me out. So I am packaging my orders up and about to head to the post office.